Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for event management. Let's get started. First, go to monday.com and you may log in using your Google account. You can start by clicking on this plus icon next to main workspace and you'll have all these options available. Hover your mouse over this arrow icon next to board, which is where you can organize tasks, set deadlines, assign work to your teammates, and more. You can just click on New Board to start managing. You can also click on Start with Template, which will open this tab. You can browse templates monday.com has made available to you. And in the search bar, you can type in Event Management, and the templates will be filtered out to those relevant to event managing. Click on this Event Management template, then click Use Template. This template is made specifically for event managing. You can just customize it for your own specific event. In here, you can assign tasks, track statuses, and oversee deadlines to make sure that there is smooth collaboration between you and your team members as you organize your event. You can make the most of monday.com by connecting it with other tools you may need like your emails, calendars, and more. And that is how you can use monday.com for event management. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.